Hello, and welcome to our Management Information System project. We are Group 24, and this is our video presentation about UGMONK.
During this video, we will discuss the following 6 points: the story of UGMONK, the company's business model, the strategic value of IT for the business, ER diagram and possible database model, structured query language, and suggested improvements of the website's interface. The story of the US-based small e-commerce business UGMONK goes back to 2008 when it has started as an entrepreneurial experiment. 10 years later, the family-run company, which started with 4 designs and 200 t-shirts, has grown to export products to more than 65 countries worldwide. Moreover, UGMONK is an example of successful modern small enterprise that takes full advantage of the available IT infrastructure in order to efficiently manage its operations and compete in the global market. But who is the brain behind this successful project? His name is Jeff Sheldon. Jeff is a passionate designer that relied on his intuition and followed his dream to create high-quality, well-designed goods that he would want to buy himself.
And now let's talk about the business model of UGMONK. UGMONK's business model reflects its value-driven strategy and aims to provide customers with premium-made products using high-quality materials. Due to the company's e-business nature, it has been able to cut the costs associated with having physical stores such as rent, utility bills, and the cost of depreciating assets. One of the key factors to UGMONK's success is the ability to maintain close and secure relationships with both internal and external partners such as suppliers and customers. As an e-commerce business, UGMONK relies greatly on maintaining a strong and efficient IT infrastructure with an easy and user-friendly point of sale.
Now, let's discuss the strategic value of IT for the company. In the modern fast-paced digital world, business and IT are inextricably linked. Therefore, it is now more important than ever for companies to adapt to the ever-changing needs of the market in order to ensure competitive position. As UGMONK has no physical stores, they are heavily reliant on their e-commerce website. On the other hand, as a small enterprise, they do not have unlimited financial resources to invest in IT. The website uses online platforms to manage the functionality of the business and to improve the B2C relationship. Some of them are Shopify for online store platform, ShipStation and USPS to ensure fast and correct shipping, Google Analytics to understand current trends and purchase patterns, and Help Scout to provide exceptional customer service. Furthermore, UGMONK's main marketing strategy involves the use of various social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. These platforms have allowed the business to enhance its customer loyalty, offering the opportunity for reciprocal communication. Moving on to the next 2 points, the entity relationship diagram and the possible database model.
We have produced a potential ER diagram that consists of 8 entities, namely customer, UGMONK, department, category, product, cart, order, and payment. The entities are linked together by one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many relationships in order to prevent data errors. Each entity contains a primary key. For example, in the customer entity, customer ID serves as a unique identifier or primary key, which later on will be linked with a foreign key in another table in the database.
We have an ER diagram. Now, let's create a database.
We have created a database using Microsoft Access that mirrors the data from the ER diagram. Each table contains a series of entries to show how the database works and to present the relationships established.
For example, customer table stores details about customers willing to place an order, their name, email, phone, and address. Customer ID is the primary key which correlates with a particular customer's name, email, phone, and address. In this example, our customer is Victoria Manuilva, and these are her details. We have also provided an example of a SQL query. Let's suppose Victoria is searching for a gift for her boyfriend. She remembers that her boyfriend is a big fan of UGMONK's designs and decides to surprise him with a new t-shirt. Victoria knows her boyfriend is a size medium and his favorite color is black. While she is using UGMONK's website, she can create a dynamic web page tailored to her boyfriend's tastes. As a result, this will create a list of black t-shirts in size medium, allowing her to easily choose the best gift option. After scrolling through the options available, Vicky decides to include one more filter as she insists to purchase a 100% cotton t-shirt. Finally, after adding all the filters desired, Vicky is happy with the results and purchases a black medium-sized t-shirt. This dynamic page is presented in Access with a query which we called Product Query. After selecting the filters, we have used the structured query language to translate the query with the correct syntax in order for the query to become meaningful.
Finally, let's take a look at UGMONK's website interface and the suggestions we have made to improve their online platform. Our first suggestion for UGMONK's online platform is the integration of live chat tool. This feature will not only make the website more interactive, but will also offer an instant access to live chat support agent that will facilitate the user experience. A potential live chat tool will be of a huge benefit to both customers and the company itself. In this way, the B2C relationship will be improved and customers are believed to build loyalty and a long-term relationship with UGMONK.
Additionally, live chat support is time-saving as customers will receive an immediate resolution to their problems without need to call and wait for advice. If applied correctly, the live chat option is considered to be as effective as a traditional verbal communication. This is why more and more companies choose to integrate this option.
Another greatly beneficial addition to the site would be the adoption of a login system. By using this, UGMONK will be able to generate an accurate profile for individual users, allowing them to be targeted more efficiently.
For example, by suggesting items that complement those bought previously, helping UGMONK to generate more sales through upselling. Customers would also benefit from this process as they can easily access products they are interested in, adding them to a wish list.
Additionally, a social login system could be introduced where customers will use their existing social media accounts to access the website. This provides a higher level of convenience for customers as many may be discouraged by the thought of having to create another account from scratch.
This was the end of our video presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Created using Powtoon.